to try to break the habits. I changed my mind. Now I can have it. Make me feel alive. I've got nothing to be out of my
savoring this moment. Is this our last goodbye? Then we learned each other. I guess one of us lied. So please just pull away. I can't look you in the face. I don't wanna have to lie. I wanted this love to survive. Now when I look in your I feel paralyzed. Can I be your superhero? You take the light with you and you go. You're not coming knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? 'Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more? Now I'm picking up the pieces from the floor. How could we just ignore our problems? Now they pour out, filling up the room with silence. Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going.
Please come away with a story to tell. We hope you've enjoyed the show. See you on board the Disney Adventure.